So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. Uber drivers are getting scammed left and right with this new scam.
Wow, so Uber driver calls for more warnings from rideshare platform after near $900 scam.
This is a new scam that drivers are facing. So if you're an Uber driver, like, what's her name? Nakia Casey, part-time Uber driver just in 8 months, you want to make sure you know about this scam so it doesn't happen to you. Check this out.
So this is in Las Vegas. Denzel McAlpine accepted a ride request while driving for Uber Friday morning, a ride that cost him nearly $900.
I have a similar story. I was doing a Lyft ride and I ended up getting a ticket because I turned on, like, you know those like lights where it says no turn on right? Yeah. I turned on a right. Well, it was a yellow light, but then it turned right as I was turning and the camera flashed. Oh. And they charged me like $500.
What the heck?
And so many people said like, oh, you don't need to pay those. They're the camera tickets. Oh. But I like just, because people are like, oh, they can't like go after you for it. But I just ended up paying it. But it was like, that ride costed me $500.
Yeah, that's insane.
And I remember after that, I was like, I'm done driving Lyft. Like, I was like, this is so stupid. Yeah. Like, because I wouldn't have gotten that ticket had I not been driving Lyft. Yeah. At the same time, yeah, should I have stopped on that yellow light? Probably. But I just went for it. Because, you know, sometimes it's yellow and you're like, oh, let me just make it real quick. It turned red. And then boom, camera flash. I got a ticket in the mail for $500. I was like, dude, like that was all my earnings for the whole week gone. I was like, this is not. And I was trying to like pay off my credit cards and like, I don't know.
You should take tips from that other guy that made $1,700.
Well, I was working like 2 other jobs at the time. Oh. And I was driving Lyft on my free time, and I would make like $500 a week. But yeah, anyways, I would average like $25 an hour, 24. But like that's before expenses and gas and all that. Yeah. Anyways, enough of me. Let's get into the scam.
Okay, so that driver said he drives up to 150 people around Las Vegas Strip last week.
Okay, here it is. So last week he hit 4,000 trips, but right now he's not celebrating. Read that part.
Yeah, so he accepted a ride after midnight on Friday, and the ride was canceled by the passenger soon after. Then he got a phone call from someone
claiming to be Uber support.
They offered him a $250 bonus for reaching his driving milestone.
Scam. That's a scam. Don't
accept call. Uber will never call you.
Yeah.
For any reason. Like, they're not going to call you.
But, I mean, to be fair, like, It does kind of sound like somewhat legit.
Yeah, because they knew he had just hit a milestone.
Because it says in the app how many rides they've done. Yeah. Like, I honestly kind of don't blame the driver because, I don't know. It's kind of a weird situation.
Yeah, because, like, the person calling, the person who's scamming, like, they're able to get all that information. Yeah. From, like, booking the ride and then canceling.
So, yeah, he said, I was kind of surprised, but went along with it. Before detailing, frequently the company provides similar incentives for drivers. Like the Uber Quest, I guess. If you do like 100 rides in a week, they'll give you like an extra like $100 or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, this is what they do. They delete the debit card, press the cash out button, and then they The bonus was contingent on him registering a virtual Uber card to his account. So the dude added a new card to his account.
Oh my god.
Okay, that's a huge red flag.
Yeah, and the scammer was posing as a support staff.
Holy smokes. He pressed the cash, so the scammer told the driver to press the cash out button. Damn. He was out $859. Entire week's earnings up to that day. To know that I had worked the entire week, hard money, and for it to just be gone in a second. Damn. I wonder if Uber ended up giving his money back.
Yeah, I mean, he has this whole news story, so like maybe.
Oh, he did, yeah.
Oh.
Of course, because it was just on the news, that's why. But Uber is not going to do this to every driver. Trust me. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.